Are you looking for a LED floor lamps for living room? In this video, I will show you the 5 best LED floor lamps for living room based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Brightech Maxwell Modern LED Shelf Floor Lamp. The Brightech Maxwell is a tall, freestanding tower lamp in a unique combination, with book and display shelves attached. Weighs about 12 pounds. It is lightweight and very easy to put together. It measures 63 inches tall, and the shelves are approximately 10 x 10 inches wide. Maxwell works with Alexa and smart home devices, but it needs to be connected to a smart plug to work that way. Included a 9.5 watt power-saving LED bulb. It has a natural 3000 Kelvin color temperature with 800 lumens, and the bulb will last for years before it needs to be replaced. The contemporary stand-up lamp matches Asian, mid-century modern, rustic, country and farmhouse decor thanks to its handsome wood and simple lines. The 4th product on the list is the WIO-MIO LED floor lamp. Equipped with high quality. This lamp with stepless dimmer and temperatures remote/touch control. Harmless eye-caring light, adjustable gooseneck, with 6 different using scenes. It takes only 3 minutes to assemble the 4 metal rod, which is easy to install or detach. Flicker elimination technology and soft lighting could protect your eyes, allows you to enjoy what you are doing for longer time with less eye fatigue. Your furniture decoration style could be matched by a variety of color temperature changes, which perfectly meet your basic lighting desire. The 3rd product on the list is the Brightech Madison LED floor lamp. Never knock this contemporary lamp off your bedroom end table. You can't with the Madison, it's attached. It also has 2 USB ports and an outlet so that you can charge your mobile devices or plug in your computer. The Madison weighs about 20 pounds. Its total height is 4 feet, 8 inches. The tabletop rests at 24 inches from the ground and measures 18 x 18 inches. The Madison works with Alexa and smart home devices, but it needs to be connected to a smart plug to work that way. The Madison standing lamp and table has great looks. Use the storage and display area for vases, art, books, DVDs, or other small objects. The drum shade comes in 3 colors, white, black and white pattern, or rustic Havana brown. Diameter is 12 inches. It saves space in small rooms, kids' room, guest room, offices, etc. The 2nd product on the list is the Kira Home Horizon Modern LED Torchiere Floor Lamp. Horizon will provide beautiful illumination without the need for other light sources. Allow this bright and durable floor lamp to complement your space. The Horizon by Kira Home weighs a total of 13.5 pounds because of its quality craftsmanship and materials. In contrast, the leading competitor is a featherweight at 6.5 pounds. Stylish slim Torchiere with clean line appearance features a brushed nickel finish, Saturn glass diffuser to soften light, directional pivoting head and a heavy, stable base. Easy to assemble standing lamp efficiently illuminates small spaces. The 1st product on the list is the Daylight Ultimate Floor Standing Lamp. The Ultimate Floor Lamp brings together years of experience designing high-quality lamps with the best materials. Daylight lamps feature full-spectrum daylight technology, so you won't get headaches and red eyes. Package includes 3 unique removable accessories, a tray with dust cover, a chart holder, a magnifier and 6 wheels. This lamp features a 20W energy-saving daylight bulb. Lamp measures approximately 5 feet tall and is adjustable. Improved flexible gooseneck arm so you can position the light where you want it. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.